Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to solve the intelligence worksheet for class 7th and 8th. Number 1, fill in the blanks. Multiply all the numbers on the number pad of a phone and subtract the answer from 1000. What is the answer? Now here is the number pad of a phone. The number pad of a phone looks something like this. We have the digits written here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. Then we will multiply all these digits of the number pad of a phone, and at the end we will multiply it with 0. What will be the final answer? 0. Any number, how much big it may be, when it will be multiplied by 0, it will become 0. So multiply all the numbers on the number pad of a phone. What is the answer? The answer is 0. And subtract the answer from 1000. What is the answer? Then we will subtract this answer. This is our answer. Then we will subtract this answer from 1000. Our answer, final answer will be 1000. Got it? So the final answer here is 1000. Number 2. Use the numbers 2, 3, 4 and 5 and the symbol plus and equal to make a true math equation. Now in this blank we have been given 4 numbers and 2 symbols. What are the numbers? 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 2 symbols plus and equal to. We have to use these numbers and these symbols. We have to use these numbers and these 2 symbols to make a true math equation. True math equation meaning what? Which has equal left hand side and equal right hand side. So we can use it like this: 5 plus 2, 3 plus 4. You can see we have used all the numbers and both the symbols, and now it has become a true math equation because both left hand side and right hand side are equal. So this is the answer of blank number 2. 5 plus 2 equals 3 plus 4. Number 3. I am a 3-digit number. My second digit is 4 times greater than the third digit. My first digit is less than my 3 less than my second digit. What am I? Now you have to find out the digit here. Whatever the number may be, which we have to write here, it contains 3 digits. Now the blank is saying my second digit is 4 times greater than the third digit, meaning we have to suppose some third digit to begin with. So let's suppose the third digit is 1. The blank is saying my second digit is 4 times greater than the third digit. 4 times mean we have to multiply it by 4. And what will be the answer? 4. We will write it here. Now my first digit is 3 less than my second digit. My first digit is 3 less than my second digit. What is our second digit? 4. 3 less than meaning minus 3. The answer will be 1. So this number is the answer of blank number 3. Number 4. A boy is 2 years old. His brother is half as old as him. When the boy is 100, how old will his brother be? At this time the brother is 2 years old. The question is about him being 100 years of age. So let's begin with this age, 2 years. Right now, what is the age of this boy? 2 years. And the blank says his brother is half of his age. Half of this boy's age. What is the half of 2 years? 1 year. When the boy is 2 years, his brother is 1 year old, meaning that they have a difference of 1 year between them. Their age gap is equal to 1 year. When this boy will be 100 years of age, what will be the age of his brother? See, we had the age gap of 1 year, so we have to maintain this age gap. So according to this age gap, if the boy is right now 100 years of age, what will be the age of his brother? 99, with 1 year of gap. Okay, so the answer of blank number 4 is 99. Number 5. Which of the following is an example of natural disaster? The environment, an earthquake, wind, pollution. The environment is not a disaster. Wind is not a disaster as well. Pollution is something negative, but it is caused by the human beings. We are talking about natural disasters. So we have crossed all the other options and we are left with only one option, which is correct option, and earthquake is a natural disaster. Number 6. In which of the following places can you find a valley? Now in blank number 6, you have to keep in your mind the definition of a valley. What is a valley? A place between 2 mountains is called a valley. So definitely this is not the answer. Between oceans, between 2 clouds is not the correct option either. The correct option is between 2 mountains because this is the definition of a valley. Number 7. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives. The dash tree was cut down. You can fill in this blank any adjective of quality. For example, we can use here the tall tree was cut down. You can also use the old tree was cut down, the mango tree was cut down. Number 2. She likes to eat dash food. She likes to eat delicious food. She likes to eat fast food. She likes to eat fresh food. You can use any adjective of quality here. The lady ordered dash burgers for herself. Now in this blank, adjective of number will be more suitable. So we can say the lady ordered 2 burgers for herself. You can use any adjective of number here. Number 8. A little boy goes shopping and purchases 12 tomatoes. On the way home, all but 9 get mashed and ruined. How many tomatoes are left in good condition?